In today's video, I'm going to show you Blinzador reviews, legit fungus spray or scam. Any Blinzador complaints? Blinzador is advertised as an antifungal spray designed to treat nail and foot fungus, with claims of fast results and convenient application. The formula is said to use plant-based ingredients such as undecylenic acid, lavender oil, jojoba oil, menthol, and vitamin E, which on their own are known to have some antifungal or soothing properties. Undecylenic acid, in particular, is a legitimate over-the-counter antifungal ingredient, so there's at least some basis in science for the product's claims. The brand emphasizes that the spray is odorless, quick drying, and easy to use compared to creams and ointments, which can feel messy. Despite these appealing promises, there are several reasons to approach Blinzador cautiously. The company's website is very new, its online presence is limited, and the promotional style is highly aggressive, relying on urgent limited supply offers, discounts, and bundle deals. Many reviews that appear online are overwhelmingly positive, but lack the balance of genuine user feedback, which is often a red flag. Independent testing, clinical trials, or detailed concentration levels of the active ingredients are not made available, which makes it hard to know whether the spray is genuinely effective beyond marketing claims. Blinzador is not necessarily a scam since it uses an ingredient commonly found in antifungal treatments, but it certainly does not carry the same level of trust and reliability as established medical brands. For someone with a mild case of fungal infection, it might provide some benefit, especially if paired with good foot hygiene, but for more severe or long-lasting infections, prescription treatments or well-known over-the-counter products are likely to be more dependable. The product might be worth trying only if you are comfortable taking the risk and carefully checking refund policies before purchasing. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.